everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here to let you know about little things that you can do to attract money in your wallet, that you can keep it in your wallet to attract money. The first thing is, let's start with the color of the wallet. Should be the color of the wallet to increase the money flow? Don't take a black color. Black color is a no-no. You can always take a red or a green wallet if possible. For men, you can either take a brown, but don't take a black wallet if possible. The second thing you can do is take a small cinnamon stick. I have taken a cinnamon stick right here, if you can see, and tie a red thread to it and tie a knot. You can take a red or a green thread, okay, not a black thread, and put this in your wallet, and this will attract some good money for you. Then there is this Gomti Chakra. If you have see the Gomti Chakra. So place 2 of the Gomti Chakra in your wallet, and due to it says it's a symbol, Gomti Chakra, or if you say this thing, Kauri, it says is a symbol of Goddess Lakshmi. So whenever you put, either you put a Gomti Chakra in there, or if you can put this Kauri, if you can see, you can get it anywhere in your wallet. It's sure to attract some good money. You will see the money flow coming to you, a little at a time. Of course, the result is not going to be the very next day, but yes, you will see the positive result coming at least in few days. Then there is a beautiful crystal called citrine. If you see this citrine, see beautiful orange color. Citrine, one that I am wearing too. It's a very good crystal to attract money. Usually people wear citrine bracelets also. So you can either wear citrine bracelet, but if you want to put something in your wallet, you can always buy a small crystal, a tumbler, a small one, to put it in your wallet to attract money. Then we do work with a lot of switch words and energy numbers. The switch words that you can write down, the bay leaf is a very good, again, thing to put it in your wallet. The best thing to do is take a bay leaf, a dried bay leaf, and on that, with a red or a green pen, write down divine count whole. Divine count whole. Or you can just write divine count. That will also do its work. So just take a small bay leaf and write divine count whole on that, and it should and put it in your wallet, and it should work for you. You can just put divine count also, that will serve the same purpose, but divine count whole, write it down on a small bay leaf and put that bay leaf in your wallet. Also, there is a mantra called Shrim. That is SHREEM. So that mantra also, you can write it down on a piece of paper with a green or a red pen. When you write it down with a green or a red pen, it will attract that kind of energy, So green is always the best if you can write it on a green pen, because green identifies money, usually green color. So you can write it down with a green pen on a paper and fold it, and you can keep it in your wallet. Even doing Shrim mantra, very often gives a good result where financial coming of finance is concerned. If you have debts or you have money somewhere that is not coming, you can always chant Shrim mantra. So these are some positive things you can do and things you can put in your wallet to attract more money. And of course, your intentions count. So be positive, trust whatever you're doing, and it will work for you. Do not question these energies, because these energies do not like being questioned, and whenever you don't trust them, it's not going to work for you. So always trust these energies and work with them, and they will work 100% positive with you. So that's it for now. But like I told you before, please do like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and please like my page on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay loved. Thank you.